أعزائي المشاهدين، كما عودناكم في برنامجكم الأسبوعي برنامج إماراتي، أنا استضيف لكم خيرة من دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة، ولهذا الأسبوع نستضيف السيد حميد كشاني المدير التنفيذي لشركة ليستينج باور جنريشن في إمارات دبي. Good afternoon, Mr. Hamid.
Good afternoon.
At the first, welcome to Emirati program, and we would like to know more about you. Who is Hamid?
Hamid is an electronic engineer, 45 years old, and 20 years experience of power generation and diesel generating sets.
Great.
That's my background, yeah.
Mr. Hamid, you come to United Arab Emirates on 21 to start your own business.
Yes.
You have your own big history, mashallah, in Iran, but what's the reason to come to United Arab Emirates?
As you know, the United Arab Emirates, especially Dubai, is not a local market; it's international markets.
Right.
And as examples, when I describe somebody why I came to Dubai, is you have a lot of and huge of opportunity to connect to other countries and the business, and you can grow your business here.
Right.
And not only domestically, but also internationally, and you're connected to the world. That is the reason that I came to Dubai.
Mr. Hamid, I'm sure from the experience which you have it to be ready to establish the business in United Arab Emirates, how it is the difficulties, or it was easy to establish the company?
The establishing company here is so easy. Actually, in 2 weeks, I did everything. But as you know, because of my nationality, we had some problems about starting this business, because as you know, without bank accounts, you cannot start your business, especially international. But after 1 year, finally we could open it and starting to business. Now we are selling to some countries like as Iraq, like as Pakistan, like as Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, and in other countries. Sometimes we are selling the parts. The focus of our company here right now in the first years is selling the parts of generator sets, not only the gen sets. Our program for future is gen set selling too.
And let us know more about the power generation and what you are specialized on more.
As you know, in the future, the countries has power. They must have provide enough power for consumption of the facilities in their countries. In the power generation, in diesel generating sets, this is a mandatory machine for every project right now. But it's not the solution of the future for powering the countries. So my decision and my idea is the compounding all of the power solutions as a hybrid projects, like a solar, wind turbines, hybrid, and battery storage package, and diesel generating sets, or gas genset, for example. So my future plan is producing some small power plants by hybrid systems and combination of different sources of the power.
Like what different source?
For example, as an
solar,
idea,
we can say.
Yes. For example, as an idea, I can describe for you.
Sure.
You have a lot of parking, open area parking in Dubai.
Right.
I have PowerPoints for this idea too. I can share with you. So you have a good sunny days in Dubai too. So as you know, about 2030 and 2050 that Dubai and United Arab Emirates decide to zero carbon.
Right.
So all of the cars would be electric cars, or 80% of the cars would be electric cars. As a distribution systems in the city is not easy to improve it, because you have to do a lot of constructions or changing the power distribution systems.
Right.
Even if you can produce power outside the city, you cannot power up all of the electrical cars because they are big consumers in the futures. So in open area, we can put some containers with the solar panels, with the wind turbines and diesel generating sets and battery package storage that they can supply these cars as a different hertz in the different place of the city.
Wow.
For example, you think that your hand would be 2 meters and very strong, but your heart here cannot supply the blood to that. You need some heart
Points.
Yeah, some
Right.
points
Some
to supply
point
this
power,
one.
yeah.
So this design would be a good opportunity and a good solution for the future of the zero carbon in Dubai and UAE. So I will start it in Jebel Ali Free Zone, I hope, after taking a warehouse and factory there.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Mr. Hamid, I'm sure as a specialist on electric power and generation, you have your own vision, but the competition is very high in this
Yes.
field. There is today thousands of companies who
Yes.
are providing, we can say, same product or same
Yes.
PowerPoint. But what's make your difference between you and them? What's the unique things we can find in your product?
How can I explain for that? When I started to business about 24 years ago, I was a freelancer of the power generation. I started to move all around the cities to start up the gensets, repairing, wiring, and everything else. After that, I learned how can I design by softwares the gensets. After that, I could design the electrical panels. I could design and do setting up the controllers. So I don't think you cannot easily find some managers as a technical experience with me. So I have a lot of experience about technicals. I have some facilities that they don't have in my mind, like me. So I can design, I can manage both of them together. This is my different from other managers. Maybe the others only, they have to use others.
Source.
Yeah,
Right.
other source. So I can do it faster, as you know.
And the cost of that, the price of that,
Would be so better because I can do it by myself.
it means the product, if you manufacturing from United Arab, it will be 100% from United Arab Emirates, made in UAE.
No, actually the combination is made in UAE. As you know, for example, diesel generating set is not producing in UAE.
Okay.
Engines coming from USA, engine coming from UK or India, for example. Solar panel, as you know, from China. So the combination of this is important, is a technology that you can do it.
And the system of that, how you manage the system, or how we can manage the system of that? Do you have any specialist?
Yeah, special
systems?
controllers needs, yes.
Okay,
Systems.
like what sources?
We are exclusive agent of CRE Technology France here.
Okay.
That they're special on the combination power solution systems together. So this is another point that I have.
And how you see the demand here in United Arab Emirates? How the people accepting that idea?
After 2030 would be a good demand for that.
Okay.
Because follow up the zero carbon policy needed that. And you cannot easily to achieve to these points without any ideas. And this idea can be a good idea for this opportunity.
Today you are manufacturing from Iran, right?
Yes, but from Iran we are not exporting to anywhere, on local market only.
And from UAE, from which brand you are working with?
We are selling CRE technology controllers for hybrid system right now.
Okay.
And special parts of these generating sets. So in the future we are planning to assemble here because my background is productions. I can easily establish a new production line because I have a lot of experience, about 20 years about that. So I will produce here sheet metals. We need machines, CNC laser bending machine, electrostatic painting line, and testing room and laboratory for that, and control panel producing. So I can manage all of them together to produce genset and hybrid power systems here.
Mr. Hamid, if we talk about also the growth of the markets in this field, how you see at the moment, how the growth it is?
the future of the world is power.
Right.
Yes, because of that, I'm not concerned about the
But
future.
we are
and
talking
the
at the moment how it is the growth of these markets in UAE.
The growing market is UAE. As you know, the competition is very hard here. But the good point is that you are located in UAE, but you are doing business with all of the world. So everything happens in the world reflected in
To
UAE
the
market.
Right.
Yeah.
And if we talk about the product which you have it for the grantee or for the certificates, what certificates you got it for?
These years that we are selling only parts, only we have certificate of agent, exclusive agent.
Okay.
After production, we have to apply for that.
To build a strong relation with our client, we need to be always honest with them. We need to update them always. How you keep the relation between you and your client more strong, and we can say for long relationship.
After 2 years activity of my company, we have started to participate in exhibitions.
Mm-hmm.
Last year we want to do that, but we did it with CRE technology from France together. But this year we have started by ourselves. So we are at the start of this business line right now. We have to do a lot of things like that to make a strong relationship with the customers that and hold them for a long relationship.
Today, the social media and the AI, artificial intelligence, is very important to use in our
exactly.
normal life.
Yeah.
And also, we would like to know how it is benefits to your, we can say, industry. How you see also the AI and artificial intelligence, it's help you to get better result.
When I started here, from the start, I started to using Odoo systems. Odoo system is ERP system that can help us to improve our relationship with the customers and more performance of the staffs. And as you know, these days AI connected to these systems and they can do something for us. So everything is automatically done in our system right now. I'm interested about that. I started to find some local course of AI too. I will start that, but as you know, as a businessman, I'm so busy. But I will start the AI course for myself because I know this is the mandatory of the developments the company in the future.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
And also, we would like to know more about the future plan of your business, the next 5 years. We want to open our warehouse in Jebel Ali, but next that, what's the plan? What's your goal?
After establishing a new warehouse in Jebel Ali Free Zone, we will start to productions of the combination, the power source together as a hybrid systems. I think for 10 years, it would be a good market for hybrid systems. As you know, the technology is improvement is so fast. The solar system is improving the performance. So maybe in the near future, if anybody works on the power solution of hybrid system, would be a good opportunity to grow the company.
From your experience, Mr. Hamid, to keep our business always on the top, and as His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, he mentioned in my vision book, to be number one, it is not easy. And to keep continue on the top level, that's the most hard part. How you keep your business always growing, and how you study more about the business which you have.
The visiting of exhibitions, new products, reading the magazines, and some courses that we are inviting to them for launching new products, and visiting other factories in other countries that I am doing right now for new products, for new idea about the power solution system in the world. It would be a good manner to find better ways for future and improve the company and better selling in the future.
Today, also from your experience, if you have any advice for people who are planning to come to establish or to start their business in United Arab Emirates, what will you advise them?
At the first point, I can say them that's a good opportunity if they can improve themselves and then come to UAE because the competition is so hard here. But there are big doors to the world, but you have to be as strong as more as to could open it.
Right.
That's my advice to them.
And also, from your perspective, also advice for the new generation. What will you advise them who are planning to enter a market or to do any business? What will you advise from your experience?
New generation.
Yes.
I think everybody that do business in power generation in the future is a good market, even traditionally, even. But for improving and developments on the business, it's needed to new products, new generation, like a combination of the power sources.
Today, for who you will say thanks from the people who are around you, who are close to you, who support you always, who believe on your vision.
My niece only. Actually, I don't know why, but because of maybe of the birth of location, I did everything by myself. Sometimes we are asking the governments, please don't help us. Let us only to do business and do my jobs. And we have some headaches about that in the other countries like here, as I explained for you. Here we don't have any supporting right now, but the opportunity of the reaching the world is a good idea here and good chance for us. And if we could have some support from the governments or from the other peoples that they can invest on power solutions, we are open for that, and it would be appreciated, and it could be a good opportunity for us to fast developments in our business.
Inshallah, you'll find for what you are looking. And finally, a message to the UAE government and leaders for the vision of this country, for the also safety and security on this country. We have today the best education in United Arab Emirates, we have the best healthcare. Our vision leaders who support everyone who comes to United Arab Emirates with the best life, we can say, safe of this country, and smart government which make our life more easy and better. What you would like to say for our leaders?
In advance, I have to say thank you from the governments that create a safe country, a good opportunity for growing, good education systems. One of the most reasons that I immigrated to UAE was about the education system. When I saw educational systems here, I bring my son here to be a better manager for future of the company maybe.
Inshallah.
So this is my warmest say thank you to the governments here. But as I know, we have some issues that we have to solve it by ourselves, and we hope to help to the governments to make it.